Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to underline the text on your Canva Docs document on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a underline text effect on your Canva Docs on your mobile phone. Just going to show in this video to underline the text in your Canva. Just do this as a follow. So just going to change this to the underline and just going to change the font here. So just go with a blue color and then just going to change the font. Okay. So now I just need to make it as underline here. So I just need to underline the first word. So select that. Then you have this option on the bottom calls. You can just swipe it. You can find this option, underline option. So you just need to click this. So it underline the text. If I just need to underline a particular letter, for example, in Canva, I just need to in the text, I just need to underline the last three letters. Just select it and click on the underline. So it will directly underline the particular thing. For example, here I just need to underline C. So I just selected it and just underlined it. This is how you just use the underline text or underline text effect on your Canva docs on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.